Hi guys, for today's video, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng buffalo chicken. Ni-slice ko na yung breast chicken guys. Yung nakakote dyan, cream cheese yan, tsaka sriracha, hot sauce, with green spring onion. Mix lang guys, tsaka ilagay mo sa chicken. Lagay mo lahat. Depende sa quantity ng lulutuin. So ito na guys. Lagyan natin ng kapit na cheddar cheese shredded. So, ready na ito. Kakayanin yan guys. Kakayanin. Hahanap pa natin yan. Pwede ito pang diet guys. Pang diet dito na ating pagkain. So, ito na. Lagay ko na sa oven. Ano lang guys, mga 35 minutes lang. Minimum 35 minutes. Well done na yan. Ayan na. Well done na talaga guys. And it's napakayan. Try nyo guys. Ayan yung promise. Soft ang chicken niya. Hindi yung parang plastic niya nung rubber niya. Napakasarap. Fresh chicken yung ginamit. Okay lang po guys. Ang ingredients. Ayun, yun na guys. Ready to serve na. Enjoy watching guys. It's easy to make buffalo breast chicken. Thank you for watching guys. Sana may natutunan kayo sa new upload videos ko. Napaka-simple na recipe. Buffalo breast chicken. Don't forget to hit like, comment, subscribe my YouTube channel at huwag kalimutan notification bell para upload videos sa mga bagong. See you in the next videos guys. Have a good day. God bless everyone. Thank you again for watching. Bye.